So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this top cover here. So we're gonna pull up and then pull towards us. And then we're gonna get our tool right here. And then make sure you get right there. And then you pull it up. And then it should pop out. So let's go ahead and remove that. All right, guys, so we got that top section removed. Next thing we're gonna do is remove this part. And then this is a clip-on. We're just gonna pull. It should just clip out. Just be very careful, go towards the edges because the clips want to break sometimes and it's just a hassle to put back. So just be light and gentle on these clips. All right, so we were able to pull this plastic piece forward. So it's attached to the steering wheel by some plastic on the bottom right there. So we're just gonna leave it forward, loose. We're gonna remove the shifter knob. Just twist to the left. Then we're gonna push the button, 1, 2, hold the brake. We're gonna put it on neutral. Make sure the brake's on. On top of the stereo, we do have 2 screws. We're gonna go ahead and remove those. So what we did here to remove the bezel is we got these corners. I put my tool in between and popped it out, these 2 corners here. Then I went on top, there was 2 screws. Then I gently started pulling. And then I grabbed this corner because it seems pretty fragile right here. It looks like it might break, so just be gentle on this corner. And then this corner also. So from there, this whole bezel is loose and I can remove it. So when you pull out the bezel, you got these 2 little clips in the back. They're just little clips. You just pull this down and remove it from each one. Then the whole bezel comes out, just as you see here. So this is the unit when the bezel's removed. Looks like we got 2 10mm bolts on top, 2 10mm bolts on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and remove those bolts. Then the radio should come out. All right, guys, so I went ahead and removed the top bolts, the bottom bolts. Now this unit should come out easily. So you see how it's loose. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn the ignition off and remove all the cables from the back. All right, guys, so if you can see here, I unplugged everything. And then this whole unit just came out. Now we're ready to install the Android unit.